Seriously delicious quinoa salad. Recipe for clean and healthy meal. Here is the best quinoa salad recipe with garlicky olive oil and lemon dressing. It is vegan, gluten-free, quick, and easy. Let's cook a dressing. In a small bowl, mix garlic finely chopped, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 20 milliliters of balsamic vinegar, 70 milliliters of olive oil, (15 milliliters of honey, season with salt and black pepper. Set aside. For the salad, cut in half 15 to 17 grape tomatoes. Chop 5 medium-sized cucumbers. Slice the onion. Rinse quinoa under cold water. Drain. Put in a medium saucepan. For 1 cup of quinoa, you need 2 cups of the water. Bring to a boil. Season with salt and cover with a lid. Cook for about 15 minutes over medium heat until the quinoa has absorbed all of the water. Take the salad, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. In a large bowl, toss quinoa, spinach, and salad until combined. Drizzle with dressing. Enjoy your healthy, easy quinoa salad. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss new, easy recipes.